today we're going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on your Toyota Prius C. This will work for all models of the Toyota Prius C and all years of the Toyota Prius C. In order to do this, what you're going to do is turn the ignition on. The little car will pop up in the window there, and as soon as you see that, you're going to press the trip button 1, 2, 3 and hold down on that third time, and that will reset the maintenance required light for your Toyota Prius C. This is a 2012 Toyota Prius C, but this will work for all years of the Toyota Prius C cars. So we're going to do that right now. I'm turning on my ignition right here. Okay, then I'm going to press 1, 2, 3 and I hold, and you can see it is now resetting the maintenance data, and it is reset, and now my maintenance required light is completely off. It has been reset, and then that maintenance required light will pop back up after another 5,000 miles, which is the timing for an oil change or service on the Toyota Prius C. Thanks for watching this video of how to reset the maintenance required light on your Toyota Prius C. We'll see you next time.